Okay, today we will discuss about quadratic equation. How will we solve the given quadratic equations? I told you there are three methods to solve it. Factorization methods, quadratic formulas, and third, by completing the square. Now I am giving to tell you about quadratic equations. How will you solve with the help of quadratic formulas? This formula will be used in every type of the equations which are in the form of quadratic. Means the general form of quadratic equations, a square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. A, b, c are real numbers. So first of all, when any type of equation are given and is said to solve it, means if the equation is already in the form of as square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then we can start by checking whether the equation has a solution or not by finding the discriminant, which is defined as b square minus 4ac. Okay. If the values of discriminant comes greater than 0, then the roots are real and distinct. Distinct means different. It gives two roots, two solutions, two answers, and both are different. Second condition, if we find D by putting formula b square minus 4ac, because discriminant of this equation is defined as capital D. It is the symbol of discriminant. So capital D is equal to b square minus 4ac. By writing the question of quadratic equation and again write the general form of quadratic equation a square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then comparing these equations together, we have values of a, values of b, and values of c. Are getting. Okay. Then put these values a, b, c in discriminant d, which is known as b square minus 4ac, and after solving, if d gives 0, the values of d gives 0, then the roots are real and equal. And third, if the values of d gives negative less than 0, it means it has no real roots, means it has no solution in real number. It will be solution in imaginary number. But here we have been studying in real number, so answer will be come in real number. So these are the three criteria. By applying these one, will be confirmed whether the equation has a solution or not by finding the values of discriminant d, which is defined as d is equal to b square minus 4ac. After getting the values of d is greater than 0 or d is equal to 0, then the quadratic equation the form of a square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. It gives x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Or you can write x is equal to minus b plus minus under root d capital T, which is known as discriminant, whole divided by 2a. There are two signs together here, plus and minus, because it is a quadratic equation, so degree, it has degree 2, therefore it gives two roots, two answers, two values of variables. So x is equal to, we can solve x is equal to minus b plus under root d by under root d whole divided by 2a. And second, again x is equal to, by taking x is equal to minus b minus under root d whole divided by 2. The values of x will become, and there are two values of x which are known as the required solution of the given questions. Okay. Somewhere it is denoted by two values by taking alpha and beta. In place of x, you can write alpha is equal to minus b plus under root d whole divided by 2a, and beta is equal to minus b minus under root d whole divided by 2a. Alpha and beta are the roots of the given problems. So that is a way to find first by checking it whether the equation has a solution or not by applying discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. If discriminant gives greater than 0 or positive, value comes positive in the form of positive, or if it gives 0 only, then it has a solution. Then we can start by applying the quadratic formula x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, so that is a way to do the given problems by applying suitable methods. What you find here, it is not necessary that every types of quadratic equation has a solution. It can be checked whether it has a solution or not by applying discriminant d, where it is defined as d is equal to b square minus 4ac. And after the putting the values of a, b, c, by comparing both equations, general form of quadratic equation and given questions, and putting all these values in discriminant, when discriminant comes 0 or when discriminant comes greater than 0, it has a solution, then you can proceed by applying quadratic formula. This formula is also known by Sridharacharya, who was the Indian mathematicians who gave this formula to solve the quadratic equation in a easy way. That's why it is also known as Sridharacharya फॉर्मूला, ठीक है. It is used, or Siddhartha Acharya formula is used to determine the roots of the quadratic equation of type a square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay. Sometimes the questions are not given directly in the form of a square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. It is given in the different types. So first, the given equation should be reduced as far as possible and bring it in the form of quadratic equation like h square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay. And then write this also from general form, then comparing both equations which we are getting by reducing the given problems in the form of quadratics and the general form of quadratic equations. Find a, b, c separately, the values of a, b separately, and then find discriminant d, b square minus 4ac, putting the values of a, b, c accordingly. And last, when we are getting d greater than 0 or d is equal to 0, then we can proceed it by applying quadratic formulas and then solve it. Okay, we will get the required solution of the given equation. Okay, now I am taking the sum. This is not directly given in the form of s square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, but it can be brought in the form of as square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 by applying suitable methods with algebraic identities and correct ways of calculations. Okay, the sum is given like this: 1 by x plus 1 plus 2 by x plus 1 is equal to 4 divided by x plus 1, where x is not equal to minus 1, minus 2 or minus 4. To solve it, again check the question. 1 divided by x plus 1 means numerator 1, denominator x plus 1, plus 2 divided by x plus 2, 2 numerator x plus 2 denominator is equal to 4 by x plus 4. Now it is not looking in the form of quadratic equation, but it can be brought into the form of quadratic equation by applying suitable method, suitable calculation. Okay, start doing. Now take LCM of LHS and proceed it. After that you do calculations and last you do cross multiplications, and after rearranging all these terms in left hand sides, right side term only zeros, and again reduce it in the form of quadratic equation, it will give s square minus 4x minus 8 is equal to 0, which is in the form of quadratic equation. Now write again s square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, that is equation 2. Now comparing both equation first and second, we will get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to minus 8. Now find discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now putting the values of a, b, c, we will get it gives 48, which is positive or greater than 0. Therefore, it has a solution. Now apply quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus under root d whole divided by 2a, and get the required solution of this equation. Ultimately, we see that x is equal to 2 plus 2 root 3 and comma and 2 minus 2 root 3 are the required values. Okay, understood?